Hello everyone, continuing with our unit 2 in CAD game series. Today I will be taking another lecture. This will be on Bezier curve. Till now we have studied geometrical modeling and geometrical transformation. We have studied what are curves, what are different kinds of curve, what are the properties of curve, what are analytical curves, what are synthetic curves. So pre-assuming that you are clear with all the terminologies related to curve, we will be studying another kind of synthetic curve, that is a Bezier curve. So let's start. So in this particular lecture I will be taking the introduction and deep explanation of Bezier curve, its properties, and one numerical on Bezier curve. This is very important, so it is necessary to watch till end and keep your notebooks and copy along so that you can make effective notes for your better understanding and concepts. So let's start. So first of all I'll be taking one definition related to Bezier curve. This will lead you to get the complete information related to Bezier curve. So Bezier curve can be defined as the synthetic curve having parametric form of representation. I am pre-assuming that you know what is synthetic curve and you know what are parametric form and the other terminologies used in the subsequent lecture. So Bezier curve can be defined as the synthetic curve having parametric form of representation, tracing global control system, though it does not pass through all the control points, but the Bezier curve passes through first and last control point. Very important, Bezier curve passes through first and last control point, therefore comes under the category of approximation spline, as it does not passes through all the control points. So it is not interpolation spline, it is approximation spline, and it has a very good variation diminishing property. Variation diminishing property means that it has least versatility. So this is the definition of Bezier curve. Very fast, that it can be defined as a synthetic curve having parametric form of representation, tracing global control system, does not pass through all the control points, but Bezier curve passes through first and the last control point, therefore comes under the category of approximation spline. It has a very good variation diminishing property, that means it has least versatility. Repeating, Bezier curve. So let's see. Bezier curve, it was developed by P. Bezier of France, car firm Reginault. Here it is defined by the set of data points by interpolation as well as extrapolation. Why we say it as interpolation and extrapolation? Because it does not passes through all the control points, so it interpolates few points. That is why it comes under the category of approximation spline. The advantage of Bezier curve over cubic spline curve is that the direction of the curve at the joint can be defined and changed simply by specifying the position of the control points. So here change in control points affects the shape throughout the curve. As I said, though it is a disadvantage because it comes under the category of globally control point, so change in control point affects the shape throughout the curve. I will be giving the exposure to few of the examples related to different control points at different positions making different Bezier curves. So properties of Bezier curve: it passes through first and last control point. If first and last control point coincide, the curve is closed, as you can see in this particular figure. So if the first and the last control point coincides, the curve is closed. The curve is tangent to the corresponding edge of the control points at the end points. It will be clear in the exposure to different figures when we will showing related to Bezier. Bezier curve will remain in the convex hull of the polygon. This is known as convex hull property. Another, it does not oscillate, that means it has a very good variation diminishing property. Compared to cubic spline curve, it requires less calculation and memory. mathematically for n plus 1 control points, Bezier curve is represented by this particular equation which I have shown. So mathematical form of Bezier curve determines this equation, which is Pt, where T is any incremental parameter which defines the synthetic curve. This Pt equals to summation of I equals to 0 to n bi jn comma I comma t, where this jn comma I comma t is the representation of the equation which is known as blending function. I will be explaining this in detail. You should know this particular equation of Bezier curve, which helps in solving the numericals. So here this jn comma I is the blending function. It is given by NCI, that is n combination till I to n combination ti, this t, that is the step kind of step function or the incremental parameter, 1 minus t n minus 1, where this n, the terminology n that we are using, is for the system having n plus 1 control points. Suppose if the number of control points are 4, so the value of this n will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. So if in any body there are number of control points are 6, so we say that there are n plus 1 control points, where the value of n becomes equals to 5, and we know this NCI is the binomial coefficient having combination like NCI is n factorial upon I factorial n minus I factorial. If 3D location of the control point bi is xi, yi, zi, so first we saw this P T is different for different coordinates. That means when we are solving for x, this bi will give the control points of x. Then when we will solve for y, that is y comma t, it will gives the control points of y coordinate. Similarly for z. So x comma t, suppose we are taking in x coordinate, so x comma t equals to summation of I equals to 0 to n xi and this blending function. You will be clear with this particular concept in the upcoming numerical. So let me show you certain examples related to Bezier curve with 4 control points. As you can see in this particular figure, we have cubic Bezier curve. Cubic means we have 4 points for various control points. Suppose in this figure 1, B0, B1, B2, B3 are the 4 points. So as I said, it passes through first and last control point, whereas it is globally controlled, so shape is this way. Similarly, if we change the position of say B1 and B2, we extend this B2, the shape becomes bit change, and it is globally controlled, so the entire curve changes. Similarly, say this is B0, B1, then B2, B3. In this particular figure, say this is B2, this is B3. As in the Bezier curve, it passes through first and last, so it will pass through B0 and B3, and the curve becomes like this. So similarly, there are other examples where this first and last is shown, and the different smooth positioning of the cubic Bezier curves are shown. Similarly, here this is B0. Hope you are clear with what kind of curve this Bezier actually represents. So this is B0, this is B3. Similarly, this is B0, this is B3. Here, since the first and the last, it is coinciding, it is a closed loop. Similarly, if it is in between somewhere, so these kind of figures are achieved for the cubic Bezier curves. So now let's see the numerical on Bezier curve. This I will be taking in the next lecture. We will be solving one numerical complete based on Bezier curve. I am just showing you the question, but it will be solved in the next lecture. This is the numerical we will be taking in next lecture. So thank you so much.